Okay, let's Unit 2, Mixing Materials. 2.1, Solids, Liquids, and Gases. We're going to learn that materials can be solids, liquids, or gases. Find out how the properties of solids and liquids are different. Observe materials and put them in groups. Find out which of the 5 types of science investigation we are doing. Identify risks and how to stay safe in practical work. Okay, getting started. Materials can be solids or liquids or gases. This girl is blowing bubbles. Where is the gas in the picture? Where is the liquid in the picture? Where is the solid in the picture? So the gas could be all around her because air is made, our atmosphere on Earth is, or our air is made out of CO2 or carbon dioxide. It just says scientific name for it. Nitrogen and oxygen. Okay. Nitrogen is like most of our air, more than like 60%, and then CO2, carbon dioxide, is like the part one, like 1%, or other gases, and oxygen is like only like 39%. So mostly we have nitrogen. Okay, so the gases could be all around her, so I'm gonna say air for that. And where's the liquid? The liquid would be in this container, liquid, and those are bubbles. And then with the solid, you could say the clothes, the wand, because it's made out of plastic. Okay, solids, liquids, and gases. All materials are either solids, liquids, or gases. Solids stay the same shape unless they're compressed, stretched, twisted, or bent. Liquids change shape easily and take the shape of the container they're in. Gases spread out to fill the space around them. A brick is a solid, water is a liquid, and the air inside of a bubble is gas. So basically, I'm going to draw us this diagram because it will show you like these are molecules. These circles I'm going to draw are molecules. Like they're, okay, for gas, they're all carefree, okay? They'll take up any space they get. Like, I don't know if you noticed, like, if your parents are cooking, like, something on the stove and there's air, and gas will take all of it up. So, gas is will take anything up. Liquids are more together. It's like, it's a little bit close in the first one. And solids are all compact because they're not like water, but they're really close. And these circles are molecules like that. Wood, metal, and plastic are solids. Water, milk, and oil are liquids. Air is a mixture of gases. It is mostly a gas called nitrogen, but there is some oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe. Nitrogen and oxygen have no color, so we can't see them. Some gases do have a color, and some have a smell. Hydrosulfide gas smells of rotten eggs. Chlorine gas is yellow. So you get different colors, you can get different smells. Okay, we're gonna skip this activity. There are 5 types of scientific inquiry: researching, peer testing, identifying, and classifying. Look for patterns, observing times for a long time. Which type of scientific inquiry is the sorting activity? I'm guessing it's this activity, so we're quickly gonna do it. So you need a cup, some bicarbonate of soda, some vinegar, a teaspoon, and they're gonna make carbon dioxide. So you're gonna put like a little bit of vinegar. You can try this at home. Yeah. Put a little vinegar in the bottom of a cup. Add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and watch what happens. You can see like lots of bubbles because the carbon dioxide is being made. When the bubbles stop, it will be full of gas. And the gas is clear and has no color. But an adult will light your candle. Please don't do it by yourself. You'll get your fingers burnt and you might even burn down the safety measures, people. And then so you can ask your parents and maybe an older sibling, but a responsible older sibling, not a childish older. And okay, and then carefully pour a little bit of the gas onto the flame of the candle. Do not pour any vinegar on the candle because they'll probably catch on fire because it's flammable. What would happen? The flame goes out because it needs oxygen gas to burn, not carbon dioxide. And you'll be sorting solids and liquids. Okay, we're gonna do this together. This is butter. It's like a pack of butter. This is like a really difficult one because it's in between solids and liquids. But right now it does not look melted because melted butter would be like flat and like the container would be flatter. So I'm just gonna put that. I'm gonna put that down in solids. So I'm gonna write an S for solids. Next is this water bottle. It has water, obviously, and water is a liquid, not a solid, unless it's ice. Funny thing about water, like it has three forms. You can have solids, which is ice, liquids, which is normal water, like room temperature water, and then gas is like when you boil something, it goes up in the air. So that will be liquids. An eraser will be solids because it's compact and it's like made out of rubber. Rice is solids. It's made out of like a lot of things. A piece of water can also that's solids. This is like Coke or soda. So that's liquids. Oil. No, that looks like glue. I'm going to put in a book. Solid. Sponge. Also solid. Okay, we're done. So we have to go back to this question, which type of scientific inquiry is this sorting activity? I think it would be identifying it. Look what I can do. I can name 2 examples of materials that are usually solid, 2 that are liquid, and 2 that are gas. Yes, hopefully you guys can. I can also describe the different properties of solids if you can as well. I can sort materials into a solid, liquid, and gas group by making observations. Yes, I can identify which of the 5 types of scientific investigation. I can explain how stage stays. Yes, like that. Okay, and we're done with that chapter. Next week will be tomorrow or in the next video, we're going to be doing 2.2, separating mixtures, and I will see you in the. Thank you for listening to this. Bye bye.